Kapit ng konti. Bounce pass kay Borburan. What a pass! Mula kay Beau Belga all the way. Just a thinking player. Now Beau. To Mocon. Mocon is open from the 15-foot line. That's short. Belga gets to it.
Wow.
Now, he's in the lane. Scoops it up. Ayaw pa rin. Gets his own piece.
Hey! This guy is a man.
Walang iwanan.
And how did this happen? Look, he fakes everything and then gets his own. I think the shot that he released was also a fake to set up this offensive rebound. Look.
Parang Kobe Bryant ba? Tracy McGrady, pass to yourself ba yun?
You don't give up on a play.
In overtime, Beau Belga 3.
Oh! Wow!
Stan will try to create. To the hoop. Gets it to go. Nambatak. Down to 5. He slips. Passes to Ponferrada on the run. Basket is good. Passes to Ponferrada on the run. Basket is good. What were you saying? Ang daming unsung heroes. You're talking about a team effort. This was, or has been, a team effort. And Jeff will try to take it. Layup for Chan, but that's it. That's the buzzer, and rain or shine, able to pull this one off. 85-82. A 3-point victory para sa rain or shine. Took an extra 5 minutes, but rain or shine pulls it off and gives GINEBRA its second straight loss.